ఉన్నాడు ఇక్కడ కూర్చోండి ఏం చేయట్లేదు
నేర్పాలి
సార్ ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ వచ్చాను తెల్లవారు
మామూలుగా ఇవి ఎంత సార్ వెయిట్ చేసాలి
ఐడియా లేదు సార్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాను
30,000
మావాడు ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఇస్తున్నాడు ఇంకా ప్రతి సంవత్సరం గుర్తుకోవాల్సి అంతే
ప్రతి సంవత్సరం
ఓకే ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అందుకే కదా
Very good. Now I call upon Amathul of 638.
Good morning, Honorable Chairman, Sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Amathul Rahman of 6th standard. I am here to say a few sentences about Republic Day. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate our 64th Republic Day. As we all know that on 15th August 1947, India became independent. But however at that time we were not capable to run the whole nation. So a constituent assembly was formed which came into existence on 26 January, that is 3 years after the independence. So one can say that on this day we became truly self-dependent. As a students, what are our duties is to take care of public property, help senior citizens and those who are younger than us. But do you know what is our most important duty? Is to study sincerely. We all study at least when exams are near, but from today onwards let us study not because teachers say so, not because parents say so, but to gain education and become good citizens of tomorrow. Because when individuals become educated and self-sufficient, the nation becomes rich and happy. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity and spending your valuable time with me.
Very good. Now I call upon D. Vaishnavi of 6th B.
नमस्कार, मैं वैष्णवी, मैं 6वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आदरणीय प्रधानाध्यापक जी, अध्यापकगण और मेरे सहपाठियों को गणतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। आज हम लोग यह 64वें गणतंत्र दिवस के समारोह पर एकत्रित हुए हैं। वैसे तो देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को स्वतंत्र हुआ, किंतु संविधान तैयार होने में लगभग 3.5 वर्ष लगे। उसे लागू करने के लिए 26 जनवरी 1950 का दिन निश्चित हुआ। 26 जनवरी 1950 का दिन भारत के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। इस दिन भारत ने अपना पहला गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया। हजारों लोगों ने देश के लिए अपना सब कुछ गंवाया था। प्रत्येक वर्ष इसका समारोह मनाया जाना प्रमुख रूप से इसलिए महत्वपूर्ण है कि अमर शहीदों की याद आती रहे, वह हमें आदर्श में जीवन के लिए प्रेरणा देता रहे। दिल्ली में ऐतिहासिक लाल किले पर तिरंगा झंडा फहराया जाता है। उसे पूरे सम्मान से सलामी दी जाती है। सभी सरकारी, गैर सरकारी विद्यालयों, कार्यालयों और घरों पर तिरंगा झंडा फहराए गए, प्रभात फेरियां निकाली गई, उसे पूरे सम्मान से सलामी दी जाती है। यही भारतवासी देश का राष्ट्रगीत गाते हैं। सन 1950 से आज तक हर साल गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह मनाया जाता है। सैनिकों तथा तथा अन्य महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्तियों का राष्ट्रपति द्वारा सम्मान प्रदान किया जाता है। जिन शहीदों ने देश के लिए अपना बलिदान, प्राणों का बलिदान दिया, उन्हें स्मरण करना चाहिए। इस दिन हमें संकल्प लेना चाहिए कि हम देश की रक्षा करेंगे, उस पर कोई आंच नहीं आने देंगे। 26 जनवरी 1950 का दिन हमें याद रखना चाहिए। संविधान तथा देश के लिए रक्षा करने के लिए हम एकजुट हो, यही भारतवासियों का कर्तव्य है। जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
Very good, well done. Now I call upon Manognya of 6th C.
To respected chairman, madam, teachers and my dear friends, I wish to say few words on the occasion of 64th Republic Day. After prolonged struggle and sacrifice of our elders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc., we have secured freedom on 15th August 1947. Subsequently, the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Even after passing 6 decades after securing freedom and emerging as Republic India, still our country is in backward in field of education, health and other infrastructure. It is a vital duty of every student to concentrate on their studies in order to achieve the goal of development in all the fields. Thanking you. Jai Hind.
Very good. Now a group song by our 6th class students.
जय